Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronni, and if you're new, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're returning, thanks so much for stopping by again. Today I thought that I would do a Boxycharm unboxing for November 2018. So I did get my Boxycharm yesterday, and I was going through everything today and thought that I'd go ahead and just do my video really quick. So this is what it looks like. Obviously I've already kind of jumped in to see what I did receive. I got an email, and 4 of the items were shown to me on that email, but the 5th item was not. And at the time I was seeing the email, it looked like I was going to be getting a like the brush cleaner, but I didn't. I'll show you what I did receive here in just a few minutes. So if you don't know, Boxycharm is a $21 subscription every month, and you usually get around 5 to 6. Sometimes you'll get 6 full-size products, but you usually get around 4 to 5 full-size products. Most of the time the boxes is well worth over $100. So this month's theme was Go Digger, which I thought was really cute. And again, we have the trifold. Okay, so we have the trifold pamphlet. So this just basically tells you a little bit about the products and the prices. So the first thing that I was really excited about was the eyeshadow palette. Was this Beaute Grandiose palette. I love this packaging. It is absolutely gorgeous. And this is the eyeshadow palette. As you can see, the inside packaging looks like the cardboard. So it's pretty much just a duplicate. But when you open it up, you get 8 eyeshadows in here, and you do, of course, get this little plastic slip as well. And you also get, well, I thought you got a mirror, but you don't. So these are the shades. So we have jasmine, we have clove, we have myrtle, cinnamon, patchouli, rose, poppy, and primrose. Primrose. Okay, so I really love this eyeshadow palette. I think for getting it in Boxycharm, the pans are really good sizes, and this looks like a really good like fall transition to winter transition, or like a winter to spring transition. This is $24.99. It says you have 4 shimmer shades and 4 bowed mattes. It has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. So really excited about that. The next item that I received was the Grandiose, or I'm sorry, the Luxie. Well, I'm sorry. The Lashaholic Lashes Instagram False Eyelashes. These are $14.99. So as you can see, this is the packaging. And then when you open it up, it says Ready, Set, Get Addicted. And these are the eyelashes. And I think that they're very beautiful eyelashes. Really cannot wait to try them on. And I like the packaging. I mean, on the side, it's sparkly and glittery and gold, which is really cute. It says that these 100% vegan falsies are made from premium silk fibers. It gives your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. And then the next item that I received is the Luxie Luminous Eye Set. This is worth $21, so this basically pays for the box. This is the premium synthetic handcrafted brushes, but I believe this is like a holiday set. And these were exclusively wrapped for Boxycharm. And as you can see, I've not opened mine, but you get 4 brushes in here. I'm really excited to use these in my eyeshadow tutorials. Then the next item that we received was the CoverFX glitter drops in the shade Nova. And this is what it does look like. Okay. So it is a full size. This says it's $44. This is these ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high-impact, reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation and moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body, which is pretty amazing. Because I think, you know, with the holidays coming up, like Christmas and New Year's Eve, that this would be a really gorgeous thing to use. And then, of course, you know, when spring and summer comes up, or comes back around, you can use this to just add some sparkle. So, it is in a dropper form. And this is what it does look like. So, it looks like it's pretty runny, but I probably will use this with my foundation when I do my tutorial. Again, that's $44, which I think to me is a little high, but you know, I know some people may like that. And the last thing that I got in my Boxycharm is the Jonteblu Long Lasting Intense Black Color. So this is a glittering star eyeliner, which I think will go really good with, you know, this and the eyeshadow look and everything else. And actually, it looks like the eyeliner, the brushes, and this, plus the packaging for this all kind of goes together. So it's very well thought out box, because you know it looks like everything matches, and I really like this. So this of course is from Jonteblu, and that was $5. It says this black glitter eyeliner is a pencil. It glides on smoothly, leaves behind a long-lasting and subtle shimmer you'll completely adore. So I thought that I was going to get the like the brush cleaner or something like that, because when I opened my email, that's what it looked like, is it was going to be that. But then I received this, and I'm not really excited about it because I'm not really into glitter eyeliner. But I'll try it out, you know, and it may surprise me. I may actually really like it. So I'm not going to do the tutorial in this video because I don't want it to be a million minutes long. I'll actually do the tutorial in another video that I'll put up right after this one. Let me know what you received. I mean, I'm pretty, you know, excited about the eyeshadow palette, the brushes. I don't typically use these brushes. I have a couple of favorite brushes that I like really good, but I'll try those out. The eyelashes, I don't know if I'll try to put on when I do my tutorial or not. I'd like to, but I want to try to use everything in a video along with some other new items. So I'll try to put that video up after this one. But let me know what you received. And next month I am signed up for the Boxy Luxe. I'm on the waiting list, so hopefully I will be receiving it next month for December. I've seen some sneak peeks, and I'm pretty excited about like the Violet Voss that will be eyeshadow palette that we'll be receiving. And then I chose to receive the straightener, the petite straightener or something like that. I'll have to look again, but I'm supposed to be receiving it next month. And if you want to watch that video, go ahead and subscribe, because I will be putting it up just as soon as I receive the box next month. But thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see the tutorial that I will be creating, you know, after this, go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on my other channels. I'll link those below in the box. And I do appreciate you taking the time, though, to watch my video, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.